Welcome back. On this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets really quickly before diving into Ethereum, ETHUSD price action, see what has changed since yesterday. I'll be following up with you with my today's bullish and bearish case scenarios and see what has changed as far as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below to now giving away 4 free stocks instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and it will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets. Some things I'll be looking out for would be Bitcoin dominance. It is a lot more likely to trend up right now, and that is a dangerous combination. If Bitcoin dominance trends up while Bitcoin price action pulls down, that would tell me that a lot of this increase in Bitcoin dominance would be attributed to altcoins bleeding out. Now let's take a look into Ethereum, ETHUSD, and see what has changed since yesterday. Since yesterday, I did say that there was weekly bearish divergence on the weekly time frame, and that is something not to be ignored. That is playing out in more force today. And as we can see, Bitcoin price action has dipped all the way from about 19K to almost now about 18.2K. Okay, that is something that could continue to pull the market down with it. So that is something I would be paying very close attention to. Now, let's take a look into the 3-day time frame where it is a lot more apparent that we're still running within this ascending triangle pattern. Let's look into the daily time frame for more confirmation. However, I do want to point out that on the 3-day time frame as well, we already do have double bearish divergence. So quite a bit of bearish signals in the markets today, counting from the weekly to the 3-day. And now let's take a look into the daily time frame and see what exactly we are doing here. We're still running within this ascending triangle pattern, and I did have to adjust my ascending triangle pattern's bottom trend line because the price action has not necessarily completely broken down from a ascending triangle formation, but the bottom trend line did come down accordingly to adjust to connect with this candle right here now. Okay, so something I do want to point out though on the 12-hour time frame is that the last major moving average and support that I am seeing on my chart is the 12-hour 50 simple moving average. If this 50 simple moving average does not hold, I don't see a way for this ascending triangle pattern to be intact. So, translation, if the price action actually breaks quite below here on the 12-hour 50 simple moving average, I don't think this ascending triangle bullish pattern should still be considered, okay? Because the next level of support that I'm seeing would be the 4-hour 200 moving average, which is at about $520, okay? Let's actually imagine how this would look like on a connecting a candle on the $520 level. I don't think that is going to be an ascending triangle pattern. So this is very key support level I'm looking at, the 12-hour 50 simple moving average. If this does not hold, I do not consider that the price action will still be in an ascending triangle pattern formation. Now, let's take into consideration of the bullish and bearish case scenario. Bullish case scenario will obviously for the price action to hold up on this 12-hour 50 simple moving average, approximately about $545, and take another swing into breaking this resistance at about $625. The measured target is still the same as what I've been mentioning, it's about $770. Okay, with the fib level right here, the 0.5 fib level, about $760 to be major resistance. That is the measured target to the upside, 63% chance of it breaking upwards. But I do want to say again, let's take into consideration the Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action. Okay, that could affect the markets. Now, take into consideration of the downside. Okay, if we were to actually break down tomorrow, that would give us a rough measured target of about just a little over $400 now, okay, with a few moving averages that could hold the price up and maybe for the price action to bounce off of. But the measured target on the downside, if we were to actually break down tomorrow, would be about a little over $400. That would be the bearish case scenario. Now, I think currently breaking upwards is going to be a little bit of a longer shot. I do want to see, though, that the price action continues within this ascending triangle pattern. Okay, I think that is a more realistic way of looking at the price action right now. If not, if it just completely breaks down, then I am looking at the moving averages that are right underneath the expected breakout points between then and the measured target to possibly act as support. This concludes my very short analysis of Ethereum ETHUSD for today. I hope you guys have found it helpful. Please give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know your agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and if you guys would like to check out any more of my most recently uploaded videos, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.